Hey, hi, hello. This is Saravana from aforanalyticsuniversity, and in this video, we're gonna look at the second part of Microsoft Power BI Premium. So I have released the part 1 about Microsoft Power BI Premium. You can go back and watch that fully and come back to this video, so you will have a very good clarity on what I'm talking about. And if you don't know about what is Power BI at all, that is totally fine. We have recently uploaded a video for you especially about what is Power BI, why we need to use Power BI, how to use Power BI, the list of real-time scenarios that occurred for Power BI to you get to expertise in. So we have already uploaded it. You can go back and watch around. And now we're gonna talk about Microsoft Power BI Premium Part 2. Stay tuned. In the last video in the Microsoft Power BI Premium Part 1, we were talking about the pricing of Power BI Pro, pricing of Power BI Premium, and what are the differences between the Pro and Premium in a very depth way. And now I'm gonna show you what are the interfaces available in Microsoft Power BI Premium, so you can easily understand what are the different terms, or in the Power BI servers you can easily identify what are the things you can do there. So Microsoft has a demo portal for Microsoft Power BI Premium. So I will put this link in the description box so you can also view that. So I have talked about dedicated capacity for Power BI Premium, which means a private space will be provided for you for your organization in the Microsoft Cloud. So no other organization can utilize that space, so that your performance of a report, performance of your refresh will be very quick than Power BI Pro users, because that is a shared use, this is the dedicated use. And if you're looking at what you're looking at is a Power BI admin portal service, and you are looking at the Power BI setting. So it has 64 cores. So this is the dedicated resources, and this is showing you the utilization of a CPU for the dedicated server that provided by Microsoft for you in terms of Power BI Premium. And you can see the CPUs and the data query optimizations and the utilizations of it. And so you can easily scale the resources. If right now if you are in a 60 virtual cores, if you want to upgrade to a 32 virtual core, you can easily upgrade that, and the pricing will be differentiated based on your requirement and your addition of capacity size. And the next one is administrative control. So if you want to add any administrator, so you can easily add the Power BI Premium but capacity admin over here in the admin portal, so which is a very good option. So they can easily see how the capacity is working. If there is an issue comes up with the Power BI report performance, and the admin can easily identify, so this is a problem, the resources are picking up in this time, so that is the reason, so that we need to increase the cores and capacity. So they will come to the conclusion. And next one is the governance and control. So the governance, so like I talked about, so this is assigning a permission capacity administrator for a specific users. And second one is, so how the peoples in the organizations, the users in the organization using your dashboards. So this will provide you a detailed audit log for your entire capacity, so who are using it. And next one is the higher limits. So what is that? So when I talked about Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium, so it has a one major difference. There is a lot of difference. The one of a major one is the refresh limits. In Power BI Pro, you have a maximum refresh limit of 8. You cannot schedule 8 refresh per day. But in Power BI Premium, you can schedule a refresh till 48. So you can have a 48 scheduled refreshes per day, so if you want to. So this is, and next one is the dataset size. So when I talk about the difference between Pro and Premium, Microsoft Power BI Pro has a limit of For a data set, it cannot have more than 1 GB of a size, but in Power BI Premium you can have a single data set with a 10 GB of a size, and when combining all the data set in your dedicated capacity, it could be around 100 terabyte, which is a huge one, where in the Power BI Pro it's just 100 GB. And when you cannot able to afford Power BI Premium, you still stick up with the Power BI Pro, but you want to increase the size, then you go for a Power BI analysis services. Analysis services in Microsoft or Azure Analysis Services. You aggregate all the data and use that in Power BI. If you have a number of row items which is exceeds than 10 GB of a dataset size. So next one is the distribution. So it's about publishing and sharing it with other peoples. So in the Power BI Premium, you get the link. You can share that and share it across your organizations. And sometimes you cannot able to do that because your capacity admin will provide you restrictions on sharing that. If you have that problem, you can go back to your admin and drop an email to solve that. I'm facing this issue, so the capacity admin can enable the sharing capability for your user only. And next one is the consumptions. So it means the power apps across the organization in one place, so you don't need to worry about anything. And if you want to share your organization reports to your external outside of your organization in a second way, so the Power BI Premium is an excellent tool to provide that. And since it is a Microsoft product, you know that it can easily work with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Dynamics 365, or any other product available in the Microsoft. So these are a few things Power BI Premium is very good at. So these are the reasons why you need to go for a Power BI Premium. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment below. Before that, if you want to learn Microsoft Power BI from the beginner level to the intermediate level to the expert level, so we have something for you now. So if you go to our website, so you can see a training menu is dedicatedly available now. So when you hit that, it will redirect to another tab in your browser and opens a page for aforanalyticsuniversity. It provides a live classes for the users for Microsoft Power BI from the beginner to expert level. And in this module we covers what is Power BI, why we need to use Power BI, what are the different tools available in Power BI, how to design the dashboard, how to do data preparation or cleansing, how to do data modeling, how to write the DAX, measure calculations, what is the difference between a measure and a calculator column, custom visuals, Power BI integration with R programming, Power BI integration with Microsoft Azure machine learning, how to integrate the machine learning capabilities in your Power BI reports. So we will cover all those things in a single course. So it is a live course. Live instructor will be teaching you all the things. And when you get into the curriculum, you can able to see, so what are the things we are covering here. So you see the basic and advanced data connections, preparations, and the data modeling, and the DAX expressions, designing, publishing. And the course offer is available also here. Since you're watching today, I'll provide you an offer. If you're ready to sign up for the course this month in September, I'll provide you a 50% offer in this course, flat 50% offer. So you can sign up and make utilize of it. And I also put the coupon code which is required for this course. So you can take the coupon code, and when you try to buy it, use the coupon code so that you get a 50% flat offer before you make a payment. And if you have any questions, and initiate the chat so that a person from our offers human support will be able to answer your questions right away without any delay. And thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.